Do you know what's trending in the world? Well, on today's topic on quick quips and tips, I'm going to share a tool that you can use with Google to find out what's trending so you can use it in your social media. So, today's topic on quick quips and tips is going to talk about Google Trends. Google Trends is a tool that you can use to find out what people are searching for on the internet. So you can use that information to develop some posts and things that you think would be of interest to your followers. Now, I'm going to pop right in to Google Trends so you can see what it's all about. So, Google Trends, you go to trends.google.com, and when you're there, what you can do is check out a topic. So, for example, I can type in Google My Business as a topic because that's one of the services that I provide, and I can see what it's going on. Now, I have said United States, but I could say worldwide here. You can change those things. I can also say, you know what, I want to know what's happening in the last 30 days. I could also go in and select categories, and you could also look web search, image, news, Google Shopping, and YouTube. So let me just pick on YouTube and see what happens. And now I can see what topics are going on in Google My Business on YouTube specifically. As I scroll down, you can see here it'll give me the region, and there's not really much exciting happening here, but let's pick another topic. So I'm just going to click on Google Trends up in the corner, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pick Facebook and hit enter. Now, again, I'm defaulting United States past 12 months and so on. And I can see how it's pretty level. It's consistent interest over time. I can see what states I can pick subregion. Say I want, metro or city. I could also go in up here where it says United States. I could even get more specific and pick New York. And now I'm getting just New York, and it's giving me certain areas that I can see where it's trending more popular. As I scroll down, you could see things like related topics and related queries. Again, specific to that area. Let's just pop up. Now, this is playing with this, right? If I go back to worldwide, I'm going to have different statistics that come up down here. So you can see here Marketplace, Facebook Watch, Marketplace Facebook, and so on, Creator Studio. Let's just click on that. Now, as you can see, I'm drilling down into a topic and I can get more. Okay, so this seems to be a good topic. This seems to be something of interest. Canva pops up, Creator Studio login, and so on. In the related topics, the business suite topic seems to be doing well. So I can click on that and see, oh, wow, look, this is increasing. Again, I'm looking at past 12 months. If I want to look at the last 30 days, I just click on that and off I go. Now, you might be saying to me, well, why is this important for your business? Now, a trending topic that can help you in your business would be something that you could drill down. So, say you own an auto body repair shop. When you're looking at auto body repairs, you might want to look at certain cars that are trending. So, let's just put in cars and hit enter. And now I can see some things going on. Um, Japanese electronic vehicles. Oh, let's find out what electronic vehicles is talking about. This is a trending topic. This might be something that your auto body repair shop might want to talk about so that you can provide information to your customers on your social media about this topic. This is a really powerful tool. If you have a topic that you want to see on a regular basis, maybe delivered to your email because, hey, you forgot that you had this great Google Trends to look at, click on that little hamburger menu and go into subscriptions. And what you can do here, you can see I have one for Google My Business as a topic already set up, but I can come in here and I can click the plus sign and maybe I want Facebook. And I'm going to pick social media service right there. I'm going to pick United States. And then I am going to say once a week and hit subscribe. Now I'm going to get an email every week if there's something going on with this with Facebook social media services. Now, notice there were different things here when I went into Facebook. There was social media services, social media service company, the topic of Facebook Messenger, the topic of Facebook. So you can really zone in on a specific trend that you feel will be helpful for your business. I hope you found today's quick quips and tip helpful. Google Trends is a great way for you to really zone in on a topic that is trending and can help you get engagement for your social media. If you found today's video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and remember, subscribe and also click that bell so that you get reminded anytime we release a new video. At Master It Media, we're here to help you take the commotion out of your promotion.